What are you eating there, buddy? Hayden, is that yogurt? Can you take a bite? Like a big boy? Show Mommy that you can use your spoon. Good job. Good job. Hayden, I'm so proud of you. That's really good. That's just like a big boy. Let's see. Use your spoon. Hayden, use your spoon. Like a big boy. No, not like that. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job. Blow kisses. Good job.